Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Bear Vault BV500 is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any serious backpacker or camper venturing into bear country, offering a robust and reliable solution to protect your food from curious wildlife and ensure your safety in the backcountry. This hard-sided canister is designed to be incredibly durable, rodent-proof, and most importantly, bear-resistant, giving you peace of mind as you sleep knowing your provisions are secure and inaccessible to hungry critters. Number 5. Bear Vault BV500 Sprint Bear-Resistant Food Container. Introducing the Bear Vault Canister, your reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. It's designed to keep your food safe and secure, no matter where you go. Discover the new BV500 Sprint, our smallest bear canister yet. It's perfect for solo overnight trips or for distributing weight on group excursions, making it easier for everyone to carry their own food safely. This incredibly light and compact container slides easily into your pack. It's ideal for ultralight backpackers needing 1 to 2 days of food, or for pros packing 4 to 5 days of calories. Heading out for fishing, climbing, or hunting. Leave your lunch securely stored in this bear-resistant container. It protects your food from wildlife while you focus on your activities. With its transparent sides and wide opening, you can easily see your food and access it without tools. Plus, it doubles as a convenient camp stool for enjoying your meals outdoors. Rest assured, it's Grizzly, IGBC, tested and approved for bear resistance. You get the same trusted quality and design that makes BearVault the best choice for bear-safe food storage. What we like. This is the smallest and lightest option, perfect for solo trips or short excursions. If you're an ultralight backpacker or need a compact solution for day trips, this is your go-to. Its clear sides and wide opening make accessing your food a breeze. What people say. The Bear Vault BV500 is a popular choice for bear-resistant food storage, offering ample space for multi-day trips. Its clear polycarbonate construction allows you to easily see the contents inside, and it's designed to be difficult for bears to open. The wide opening makes it easy to load and retrieve food, and the included instructions are clear and helpful. Number 4. Selkirk Ultralight Bear Bag Food Hanging System. Tired of struggling with ropes and branches? Our innovative pulley system makes hanging your food easier and faster than ever before. Forget fumbling with rocks and ropes. Just fill the included bag with rocks, toss it over a branch, and let our system do the work. It cuts the effort in half. Perfect for camping, hiking, and backpacking, this lightweight system keeps your food and gear safe from wildlife. It's designed for any adventure. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your provisions are safe from bears, raccoons, and other critters. Keep your valuables out of reach and your campsite undisturbed. Everything you need is included: a durable food bag, a rock bag, strong ropes, carabiners, and clear instructions. You're fully equipped for secure hanging anywhere. What we like. Tired of struggling with ropes and branches? This system's 2-to-1 pulley makes hanging food effortless. If you value speed and simplicity in setting up camp, especially in areas with fewer ideal branches, this is the ideal choice. It's a comprehensive, lightweight solution for any outdoor adventure. What people say. The Bear Vault BV500 is a popular choice for bear-resistant food storage, offering a large capacity that can hold enough food for several days. Its robust construction and secure locking mechanism make it a reliable option for keeping your food safe from bears. The transparent design allows you to easily see the contents inside, saving you time when searching for specific items. Number 3. NO-Fed Bear UDAP Bear Resistant Canister. This bear-resistant canister comes with a durable fabric carry case. It has adjustable straps, making it easy to attach to your pack or carry comfortably. This product was developed by an experienced outdoor safety advocate. He is dedicated to promoting safe and responsible outdoor practices. It is tested and approved to meet recognized standards for food storage. This ensures compliance with requirements for certified wildlife-resistant containers. This container holds about 2.1 gallons of food, suitable for 4 to 6 days. It measures 8 inches in diameter and 10 inches in height, weighing just 3.2 pounds with its case. Its secure opening system can be operated with a coin. This design helps keep your content safely stored while you are enjoying the outdoors. What we like. This canister is certified for wildlife-aware food storage and comes with a convenient carry case. If you're heading to national parks or areas with strict food storage regulations, this is a reliable option. Its durable design and easy-to-use opening system provide peace of mind. What people say. The Bear Vault BV500 is a popular choice for bear-resistant food storage, offering a generous capacity that can hold enough food for several days. Its clear polycarbonate construction allows you to easily see the contents inside, making it convenient to locate your items. The BV500 is designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, with a simple twist-off lid that provides secure access. Number 2. Mountain House Emergency Meal Assortment Kits. Introducing the Mountain House Emergency Meal Assortment Kits. These freeze-dried survival food kits are perfect for disaster preparedness and long-term storage, boasting an incredible 30-year shelf life. Crafted in the USA since 1969, these meals are freeze-dried to preserve the delicious taste of your favorite comfort foods. They are designed for convenient outdoor adventures. Preparation is simple, just add water and enjoy a delicious meal in under 10 minutes, straight from the pouch. They are also lightweight and easy to store, making them ideal for camping and RV trips. Each kit is packed with high-quality ingredients and no fillers. They are freeze-dried to lock in nutrients and freshness, offering a variety of popular meal options. With the longest proven shelf life in the industry and a 30-year taste guarantee, these meals are an essential addition to your emergency food supply. You can be confident you're always ready for the unexpected. We care about preserving the great outdoors. You can easily recycle your used pouches for free through TerraCycle, helping to reduce your environmental footprint. What we like. Looking for long-term food storage with incredible taste. This option boasts a 30-year shelf life and is ready in under 10 minutes. If you're preparing for emergencies, long camping trips, or just want delicious, no-fuss meals, this is an excellent choice. It offers convenience and flavor when you need it most. What people say. The Bear Vault BV500 is a popular choice for bear-resistant food storage, offering a large capacity that can hold enough food for several days. Its robust construction and secure locking mechanism make it a reliable option for keeping your food safe from bears. The clear polycarbonate design allows you to easily see the contents inside, saving you time and effort when searching for specific items. Number 1. ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply, 4,320 servings. Be prepared for any situation with this extensive emergency food supply. It offers a substantial amount of long-term meals to ensure you and your loved ones are covered. These freeze-dried and dehydrated meals are designed for long-term storage. Enjoy delicious and nutritious options that can last for years, providing peace of mind. Whether you're camping, prepping, or facing an emergency, this kit is your reliable food source. It's compact and easy to transport, making it ideal for various needs. With an impressive shelf life of up to 25 years, you can trust that these meals will remain fresh and edible when you need them most. It's a smart investment in your safety. This comprehensive package provides 4,320 servings, ensuring you have ample food for extended periods. It's the ultimate solution for reliable and long-lasting food security. What we like. This is an extensive emergency food supply designed for the long haul. If you're a serious prepper or planning for extended expeditions where resupply is impossible, this massive kit is for you. It offers a substantial amount of food with a long shelf life, ensuring you're prepared for almost any scenario. What people say. The Bear Vault BV500 is a popular choice for backcountry adventures, offering a robust and reliable way to store your food and gear. Its large capacity makes it suitable for longer trips, accommodating enough food for multiple days. The clear polycarbonate construction allows you to easily see the contents inside, saving you time and hassle when searching for specific items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.